Westermans here with a new arrival, AMI 415, which is actually unused. Also the welding head itself is unused, which is a 792375. Quick weld test. Also comes with 40-foot extension cables or adapter cable. More extension cables there. Wire feed, again unused. Pendant control. The machine itself has actually still got the original polythene cover, which will be peeled off later. As you can see again from all the fittings, the machine itself is 2012, so it's been in storage. The water cooler itself has been filled, as this was obviously also empty. We have different types of heads that can be fitted onto this machine. At the minute, like I say, it's a 79 series, so the whole range of 79 series will fit. The 81 head, the M15, the 95, obviously closed heads, and the internal heads, plus many of the other AMI weld heads. This machine will be serviced to order. More details can be found on westermans.com or emailing welding@Westermans. Like I say, the head and power source until now has never been turned on. More details available on the website, and photographs of this 415 plus other 415s with vision display, ESABs, Orbital, Orbitec, Swage Lock, and many other brands of Orbital, all for sale from stock. Thank you for looking.